Hello students, this is Mrs. Batterby and I'm here to teach you about our assignment for this week. This week we are going to be making a PowerPoint on our favorite animal. And I have chosen a koala. So I need to put a picture on here. So what we're going to do is click on a web browser. I chose Firefox and I looked up in Google. I searched the name of my animal, koala. And now I am going to right click an image as seen right here, and I'm going to click save. One moment, sorry about that. I'm going to click on this image and I'm going to click copy image. You can either copy the image or you can save the image onto your files. I'm going to show you both ways. Here's how to copy the image. You would left click it, go back to your PowerPoint over here, and then you would right click and then click the picture with the clipboard, and there we go. Now I need to adjust my picture, right? So here's what I will do. I will shrink it and then I will move it right here. Now if you don't like the image you have, you will either click it if you like it for one, but if you don't, you can click it again and you can click delete. Now I'm going to show you the other way you can save the picture and upload it to your PowerPoint. So you'll right click and then you'll go to Save Image As, go to your files, it can be in pictures. I'm going to name this one Koala, and then I will save it. I will go back to my PowerPoint, and then I will click Insert, Pictures, this device, I will click to my pictures, I will search for koala right there, and then I will double click it, and there it is. Once again, I can shrink it and move it right over here if I'd like. Oops, there we go. And now I'm going to save my PowerPoint. I'm going to hit File, and then I will hit Save As, Browser. I will go into the class that I am in for college. And I will name it My Favorite Animal, and it's saved. And to double check that it is saved, once it is responding here in a moment. Alright, I will pause the video until it comes back to responding. One moment, students. Okay, now that my PowerPoint is saved, I am going to exit out of here. And just to double check that it is saved, we're going to go to our files. And then we are going to click, oh, I accidentally double clicked. We can click on My Favorite Animal. right here, double click, open, and now it is loading to see if it'll open. And there you go, students. There is how you will import a picture onto your PowerPoint. And I hope you guys enjoyed this how-to video, and I will see you in our next assignments. Take care, everyone.